Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Nick here, checking in with you. I'm inside the hive that overwintered, and boy, I gotta tell you, there's a ton of bees in here. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a peek, and here we go. Check it out. Holy camoles, there's a bunch of bees. We are definitely going to smoke these guys just a little bit so that we could get in here. I want to get some close-ups of some of this stuff that's going on in here. So those are only drones. Those are drone larvae right there. I was actually getting into the hive to kind of look and see if there was any swarm cells. A lot of brood on there. A lot of brood. So the queen is actually doing what she's supposed to be doing. Want to make sure she's not on this frame. I'm actually checking for swarm cells. I want to make sure that there's no swarm cells on this hive. I want to try to keep my bees. Just got stung. You guys are a little feisty today. All right, so I took a couple of frames of drawn out frames from another hive that I have, and I'm going to pop these in the middle of this one here, and then I'm going to put the top box back on, and then I'm going to put a third box on the top. I'm going to get a queen, and my buddy from Jones Apiary is going to come over, and we are going to do a split. Trying to clear the bees off of this bottom box so that when I put this top box back on that I don't kill any bees. Okay, there are a few queen combs on the bottom, and I got to get rid of those. If these guys make another queen, they will swarm on me. I want to show you guys what a queen comb looks like. A couple of queen combs all the way down here. I don't know if those are queen combs or if they're drone comb, but I'm going to destroy all that so that we don't have any queens being made in this box. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to give some of this larvae to my chickens. They're going to have a little feast. This hive is like super, super packed. We're going to add that box on. I've got to get into this hive here because this hive has some empty frames. Right. I'll put this back up here like this, just so I have a place to put you guys so that I can continue to record. All right. Looks pretty good. Got to smoke these little fellas so that I can get this top box back on without damaging too many bees. Oh. There's a blooper. All right, there we go. Got a lot of bees on the outside of that box. But they'll all find their way home. They know where the heck they're going. And I destroyed all the queen cells. Hopefully we should be good. We're gonna take that box right there. We're gonna put it over here in the next couple days. And we're gonna have another whole we're gonna have 3 colonies this year, so hopefully that'll all work out. Hey, look at Donald Trump. Donna Trump, what you doing, Donna? Okay, everyone, like and subscribe. Thank you for participating in my, bee extravaganza. It was just making sure that this hive doesn't swarm. I added another top box, another deep to the box. So now we're 3 deeps high. we've got a queen coming in this week and a nuke. So we're going to be getting all that wrapped up, putting all that together, and we're going to have 3 beautiful hives here this year. Hopefully we'll get a lot of honey with it. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Until the next time, Godspeed. Your life matters. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.